windy fucking day today. Went riding earlier, had to call it quits. But yeah, beginning this shit off with another unboxing. Wish I would have had this shit yesterday when I did the boxing of all the 2019 Odyssey lavender shit. But yeah, Brock Ralford grips in lavender. We'll go on this baby eventually. But yeah, on to the bike check. Alright, here it is, guys. My bike check 2019 flatland machine. So we're going to start off here. The frame is first generation flatware waltz. I think this came out in like 2009. It was given to me by a very gracious friend of mine. But yeah, we'll start off. This is the first wheel I ever built myself. Built it, took it into the bike shop, got it trued, but I got the Cinema 777 rim laced to a profile mini front hub, purple nipples, got the purple Cinema valve cap. I went green and purple on this one because it's a 1990s Milwaukee Bucks theme, like a Joker theme. Then onto the pegs, got the deco AM pegs. Get that to show up, deco. See if I got one. Yeah, on the back here. I don't know if you can read the lettering. This is AM for Alejandro Marquez. Shout out to him. He's an awesome rider and a really helpful dude. One of my favorite guys. Got the old school, or not old school, but the timeless purple anodized hombre front brake. Got the cable is a pork chop cable. It was just the housing, and it was a cable I already had, so I just bought new housing. Up to the headset, got a Haro headset. It's pretty good. They're all the same anymore. Got the pork chop headset spacers. Got a Snafu Astroglide gyro plate. My Madeira mast top load stem. The forks are S&M fast pitch forks with 990 lugs. I upgraded the cap that came with it sucked if you ran front brakes. So I got the Odyssey with the cutout, so I can run a front brake cable and still have the Allen hole free, so I can adjust my headset. Yeah, then the minimal off-reach Madeira mast stem. Then the cable goes into a Tech 77 locking lever that I had cut the locking mechanism off. ODI soft grips. Then going over to the other side, got the the Tech 77 lever to the dual Snafu Astroglide cable, which goes down through my Snafu gyro plate to my Colony, purple Colony RX gyro. Then down to the bottom, I got the Snafu Astroglide dual lowers to a London mod. Then back to the rear hombre. Then on the rear wheel, I have the Profile Z Coaster hub. It's a pretty nice hub. I've only been riding it for about a month or so, a few months actually. I've only been riding this bike for a little while. Got the Haro HPF tires, front and back. I don't know how long they'll last. They're the 2.0s, but they're really slim. They're really slim, so they're probably more like a 1.85. Just to let you guys know, if you consider buying those, they run really small. Get the 2.2s if you ride street. They're probably like the width of a 1.95. But yeah, so profile hub in the back to a Shadow Conspiracy half-link chain to my Haro Mura Tribute 28 tooth nuke sprocket. Then I have the 145 millimeter profile cranks, super short. Went pure flatland on this one. So then I got the Odyssey twisted PC pedals. They're pretty good. Just bought the lavender ones. Then I got the Profile Slim Jim seat clamp to an S&M Long Johnson seat post with my deco flatland seat. Got a nice little handle here on the back, if you can see. It's pretty good, really like it. Up front, got the London bars. Don't know how I forgot to mention these. 9.5 rise, 3-degree back sweep. Bought these used off the guy, Alejandro Marquez himself. These are some fucking dope ass bars. Love them, love how they're white. If I could, I'd repowder coat the seat post, the forks white just to match those bars. I think those bars are sick. But yeah, the frame I had repowder coated in this awesome green. The logo and everything still shows. I'm gonna flip it over for you guys. Got the fucking serial number and the emblem still showed. But yeah, this is a dope ass bike. The best bike I ever built and ever rode, that's for sure. But yeah, it's just, love the way it looks, love the way it rides. Smooth. The geometry is amazing. I love the bent down tube. I rode all last year on my S&M Dagger that I uploaded a video on, but flatland shit's just coming so much easier on this. In and out of fork glides is just so much easier than on the S&M. I could hardly even do it. I'm trying to learn steamrollers right now. I couldn't do that on the S&M. The 21 or 20.75 inch top tube, reaching over the bars to grab the seat was just a bitch. The thing was just too long. On this, grabbing the seat still sucks. I find that to be really hard, but getting in and out of fork glides is so much easier. Tail whips, it's so easy, it's almost like it's cheating. Just, yeah. I rode in Chicago at Flat Knox 43. I have a video of all the best clips riding there, and the guys were saying just get a flatland bike. You know, you'll learn so much faster. It's way easier to do flatland tricks, and for the longest time I wasn't bothering. I wasn't gonna do it, wasn't gonna spend the money, and thought, you know, because I'm a bigger guy, you can see I'm fat. I'm like 6 feet tall and over 250 pounds. I'm a fat ass. And so getting onto this bike was just great. I was worried about the 18.9 top tube length on this bad boy. I look like the Hulk riding it. I'm just a big guy. Flatland bikes are small, but I'll lose weight the more I keep riding. I'm super motivated. Building this bike was the best thing ever. So shout out to Chad Gale for giving me the frame, and Alejandro for selling me the pegs and selling me his old London handlebars. Stuttering like a motherfucker. Might have to edit this one. The old London handlebars. Yeah, and you know, got my Mega Nuke sprocket, so it's like an ode to my BMX past. It's my love for mid-school haros. I don't know if I really like haro anymore, but whatever. I'll rock the tires and the headset and the sprocket. The headset and the tires the headset I'll put my new Odyssey ones on eventually when I redo this bike. You know, when it gets to the point where it rides like shit, that's when I'm gonna take it all apart, put the new Odyssey stuff on. But yeah, new school flatland bike. It's ridiculously light and it's just smooth. So if any of you guys out there are getting into flatland or riding flatland on a street bike, I suggest stop it, go to a flatland bike. You'll never look back. It's the best thing ever. So yeah, thanks for watching my video, guys. I appreciate you watching. Like and subscribe if you can, and I'll have some videos going up. I might do some tech stuff. I'll definitely have some progression videos coming soon, so stay tuned. Peace. Oh, one last thing with these fucking, I got my pink champion shirt on. Pink champion shirt with the fucking lavender. Oh man, it's gonna be fucking dope, man. You know me, you know my style. I don't like what everyone else rides. I like wild, loud, in your face, gay ass colors, man. Makes my pussy hard. That's right. So, peace.